Hi, I'm Adam Mattis from Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California. We have over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, presses, iron workers, milling machines, lathes, and much more. Today I'm going to show you a really nice 2-axis CNC Southwestern Trak vertical milling machine. It's a 10 by 50 table. This machine has a nice SWI controller, which will show you the X, the Y, as well as the Z readout. There's a Z readout on this machine. It's not a 3-axis, so this is not powered right here, but it will tell you where it's at. I've already turned it on and set it to go home. We'll go ahead and push the one button, it'll set it to go home. That's 0 right there. We'll go ahead and show you the digital readout here, CNC controller. We have it in manual mode right now, so very easily you can move your different axes. Good for setting up, positive and negative. It's a very nice machine, very quiet and easy to use. Go ahead and set it back to 0. We'll set the head here. Let you listen to the head. We've gone through everything, make sure everything's working on it. The head's nice and quiet. About 2,600 RPM right there. You see the brake works fine. Put it in low gear. This machine uses a standard R8 collet, just like a Bridgeport. It's ready to go. Nice running machine. Has box ways here, the square ways, heavy duty. If you're interested in this milling machine, please give us a call, 626-444-0311, or check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.